Kia ora whānau, it is Hux and we are back with another video. Today we have Raukura 2024. Everyone's enjoying this content and I'm pretty stoked to, just be doing what I like. Continue to like, comment and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. But anyway, without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, aura farming, I see. Here we go. You're gonna hate me. You are going to hate me. But not my cup of tea. It's like there's too many beat changes there. It's like, I don't know, that's just it sounded like a drum that was just showing off their solo, but I'm sorry. I only like the last part when they started doing the haka. I only like that part. And the reason why I say that is because I'm not a big fan of the whole beat changes. Not for me. I'm a 1E and a 2E kind of guy, not a 3E and a 4. You know what I mean? There's gonna be an item in here that I like. I know it. I can feel it. You aren't gonna like me again. I didn't like that. I'm so sorry. Oh, it's a bad day. It is a bad day. Bring on the hate comments. I didn't like it, bro. I got bored halfway through. I'm so sorry. Bring on the hate comments. Oh, this sounds like one I'm gonna like. Okay. Favorite item. Boom. I already love it. Sorry. Let's run it back. Sorry. There we go. There we go. Ooh, who was it? Loki, he's been carrying G. I'm sorry. Wee. So you might like me for that, but the rest of it, I'm getting hate. Oh well. Poi time. This one's for you ladies. Oh, that's Mina. Nice. Mean. I see the vision. I see the vision. Ooh, that's a fancy move. Again. The double. Okay. Run it back. I've seen this face so many times. I like the poi. Poi was mean. I usually like simple poi, the ones that like even just simple things like this, and then just forward, and then back, and then up, and then down. I like that only because most of the time it's way easier for them to sing, and it doesn't look so sloppy. Like that's probably the best poi I've seen so far. Keep it up. Haka time. Let's go. Oh, okay. Hold on. Gee, this guy needs to be in the center. Or this guy needs to be over here. Either one. Good job, eh? Ah. Not bad.
Ka mautonu, mō te ake. Raukura ki te rangi e! Mochi, Māoreka, reka mochi, mota.
Yeah.
Mochi, Māoreka, reka mochi, mota. Mochi, Māoreka, reka mochi, mota. Mochi, Māoreka, reka mochi, mota. Wāturanga tira, e roa I hara, Irumataroa e. Ore maroke, e marere koronoa, rotorita. Yohau, e te rangatahi, tamana motuake, e mana motuihota.
Ama.
Iorama, I te mira tātoiroa. Oue, tau patu ana, mamahara e te tauri te were. Rua tangara, mochi, mota. Moreka, reka mochi, moreka, reka mochi, mota. Mochi, moreka, reka mochi, mota. Raruka wa piki atu I tā rarua.
Hey! Oh, the young fellas, man. Oh, if every item was like the whakawatea, that would have been a 10 out of 10, G. Whakawatea was mean, the Waiata Ā-ringa was mean, Poi was mean, Haka was mean. I just didn't like the Whakaeke and the Młteatea. It's the only two. I love the whakawatea. This is what I like. That sort of vibe. That was mean as. Highlights there, the bro had aura the whole time. The young fellas that were singing, this fella, and that fella, bro. They can sing it. I hope they were in this year. I want to hear more stuff like that. If you know what their ats are, take them. That would be much appreciated. I'm so sorry, but I'm going to have to give that... Don't hate me. I'm going to have to give that a 7. I'm so sorry. Don't come at me. And if you do, I'm just going to read your comment anyway. And then that's probably about it. If you want to see more content like this, drop the kura you want to watch down below. And like, comment, and subscribe. Chirp!